morning, guys, and welcome to another vlog. As you can tell, I am vlogging on my new iPhone 11 Pro today, just trying to test out the quality. It's really cool because it has like 3 different frame settings, if that makes sense. So I'm just on the like standard one right now, but I thought I would try vlogging on this camera today. I actually have the house to myself, so I don't have to be as awkward about vlogging today because nobody's home, it's just me. And it's just another productive / lazy Saturday. You guys know the drill. I thought I would show these flowers. A customer bought them for a coworker, and a coworker didn't really want them, I guess was the story. So she gave them to my husband to give to me. So I got these really pretty flowers that were free. I think they had to like be out of water for quite a while. So they got a little dried up, but they are really, really pretty and they make me happy. I also love this little sunflower. It's so pretty. I'll do a quick like lazy outfit of the day at home. I'm wearing one of those really fantastic bras / bralettes from Target. This camisole is also from Target, and these leggings are from Aerie a long time ago, I believe. And then my hair's just in a messy bun, and I'm gonna go make some breakfast. Take a moment to appreciate this channel. It's called Lepke's Life, and it is this young mom, well, this young family really. This young mom, her name is Delilah, and she's 22 with 2 under 2, and her channel is like the most genuine channel I think I've come across in ages. She's just so down to earth and so like authentic. I know that's such a like popular term right now. And she's a Christian woman. She's a woman of the Lord, and she's just the greatest. Like, I'm not even a mom yet, but I love watching her channel because she is just honestly such an inspiration to me. She's just such a great mama at such a young age, and hopefully I'll be half as good as she is at this whole role. But yeah, if you're into like motherhood and lifestyle videos, definitely check her out. She is amazing. I had to put on a jacket because our house is a frozen tundra. But I wanted to show you guys my new glasses. I got these a couple days ago from warbyparker.com, and they're similar to my last pair of glasses. The shape isn't as round, like isn't as symmetrical. But I think it looks pretty good. Sorry, I keep looking at myself instead of the camera because I'm looking at my glasses. And they are a rose gold color, which I wasn't sure I was gonna like because rose gold is so trendy, but I think it looks really nice with my skin and my hair color. So I'm really happy with how these look. As far as the prescription, because I got my prescription changed, it's so weird. I haven't got my prescription changed in like 4 years, so I've been wearing the same prescription. And my prescription didn't even change that much, but it feels so weird. It's so hard to get used to because like before my prescription just felt like flat, like everything was just like one-dimensional in a way. I don't know how to explain it. in this prescription, it feels like things are either much closer to me or much further away from me than usual. And I don't know if that's right or not. I don't see blurry, like nothing's blurry. Everything is crisp and clean. It just feels like more three-dimensional, which is weird, but hopefully I'll get used to it. But yeah, I just finished eating my breakfast, and I don't really know what I'm gonna do right now. I might go ahead and plan in my planner for the week, because that would be something good to do right now. That's probably what I'm gonna do. Alright, so here is my mess, and here is my spread for the week. I kept it pretty fall-like. A lot of these stickers are from my shop from last year. I don't sell stickers right now, and if I did, I wouldn't sell these. But they were left over, so I thought I would use them. This washi tape is from the Target Dollar Spot. I think this one is from Michael's. These stickers, like these kind of like word stickers, they are from Target. They're like a calendar sticker book. Here. This calendar sticker book, to be exact. I saw this and I really liked the style of stickers in it, so I bought it. I think it was like $3, but these are all the sheets that it comes with. I thought they'd be pretty functional. I don't go to school, so a lot of them don't relate to me, or I don't relate to them, but some of the stickers are really cute, so I went ahead and got that. And yeah, that is my spread for this week. Now I gotta clean this mess up and take some photos for my Instagram.